Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your daily update for Bitcoin. And today, October the 19th. So guys, a lot of things to talk about. Let's go! So guys, here we are. This is our analyze. Today, not 5 minutes, today some minutes more. This is the beginning. This is TradingView. TradingView is telling us on the daily, we should buy Bitcoin. 4 hours buy Bitcoin, 2 hours buy Bitcoin, and 1 hour buy Bitcoin. It's easy, alright guys? So let's check this one. This is CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is telling us Bitcoin is going up in 24 hours 1.5%, in 7 days 8.86%, Ethereum is going up 0.44%, but in 7 days a little more as Bitcoin 9.7%. The Binance coin is growing extreme 23.7%, and on the day 3.78%. Cardano is going down a little bit in the weeks, going up a little bit. And so on and so on. Nothing special here. Solana in the weeks, nice 10% in the plus. On the day, 0.6% in the plus. Polkadot's going down a little bit in the week, 25% in the plus. The biggest winner is OKB. Phantom place number 2. Harmony 1 place number 3. The biggest loser, Stacks, Flow, and the Dogecoin is going down by 5%, but in the week it's going up with 11%. So what coin is the biggest winner in 7 days? It's Tetcash, 28% in the plus, sorry. Polygon Matic is going up 27%, and Polkadot is going up 25%. Biggest loser, Flow, eCash, Filecoin. Okay, guys, this is my video from yesterday. Yesterday, I showed you my targets to the downside. Today, I will show you the moon targets. So, yesterday, I showed you my possible thing that we see a ABC correction. But guys, we don't know. Where is 0.5 of our Elliott wave theory? Is it here or is it here? We can check this now together, guys. I found some interesting things, so maybe we can check together where is our moon point, where is our wave number 5. So this is our naked chart, guys. Nothing special here. Our naked chart, the daily chart, every candle here is 1 day. And now, guys, let me show you some things that we can see where is wave number 5. First of all, we can make this pattern here because this is one of the patterns that broke out to the upside. This one is a cup. If you know my videos, guys, you know what is a cup and handle. Now I will draw here this cup, a coffee cup, and now I will draw here this handle. And yes, we broke out from this handle to the upside, and we have now a nice target. We can draw this target together, guys, so it's nothing special. We can draw a line here from this point to this point. This was the trend line, and we can make now a point from the deepest point of the cup to the highest point of the trend line. This is a point from here, a line from here to the upside to this point here. So guys, now we can put this line to the breakout, and now we have a really nice target to the upside. That's the first target. If we watch this cup and handle, the technical target, that's 73,900. Let me tell it, 74,000. Okay, this is the first target. So maybe it's possible to see 0.5, wave number 5 on 74,000 or on this point. We will see, guys. But let me show you on the 4-hour time frame. We can draw this now. This is a 5-wave upgoing wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now where is 5? Maybe on this point, maybe on 74,000, it's possible. Or maybe it is now. One of the big questions now, guys. I can't predict the future, but I can show you possible targets. And it's possible to see this breakout to the technical target, 74,000. Okay, let this point be 74,000. Let's check the next thing, guys. We have some more things to talk about. Not only this cup and handle breakout to the upside, not only 74,000. I have something special here for you, something more for you. Let me show you. First of all, we have to draw a point, a next line, sorry guys, a next line. The next line from this point here to this point, we will make it now yellow, so it's another color. And from the downside, we have the same thing. From the downside, we can make a line here from the downside. No, sorry, not like this here, but like this here to the upside. This is our big triangle, guys. And if you're zooming out a little bit more on the daily time frame, you can see it better. This is the big triangle, and we broke out the triangle to the upside. So we also have a technical target. Highest point to the trend line to the downside. We put this line to the breakout zone, and bam, here it is. Here it is, the big target to the upside for breaking out this triangle. Yes, 93,000 US dollar. It's also a possible target. It's also a possible wave number 5 endpoint. A next high, a next moon point. It's possible. Guys, this is a really interesting stuff now. These are, as I told you, these are the targets to the upside to the moon point. Yesterday, I showed you the targets to the downside, today to the upside. If we make this Fibonacci line, we have the next thing, and this is also really interesting, guys. If we zoom in a little bit more, you can see we are now fighting against this point. We come really close to this point, 65,000. This is our last all-time high. This is the biggest thing to watch for the moment. This is our biggest resistance to watch for the moment. So, first of all, 65,000 possible, then 74,000 possible. Then we see the next thing here. This is the next Fibonacci, 1.618. Fibonacci about 87,000. And the next point is then the technical target for breaking out the triangle. 93,500. So these are the main targets to the upside. It's possible to see these targets in the next days, maybe, or in the next weeks. Maybe we will see 100,000 in the direction to December, maybe 2021 this year. But we will see, guys. We will see a lot of things to watch, a lot of targets here to watch. So let me show you the next stuff, guys. So the next stuff is the ribbon band. It's not so important, but this one is important. These are the candlestick patterns, and this is really awesome, guys. We see so much bearish candlestick pattern, but we are breaking up to the upside and not to the downside. We move on to the upside. I thought we will see here a breakdown, but no, we are moving on and moving on and moving on. That's not normal, guys. So let's forget for the moment the candlestick pattern. Let's forget it. Let's check the next thing, the RSI, Relative Strength Index. And you can see it. We are overbought. We are on 33 points. We are overbought for the RSI. This is a big problem. But guys, if we zoom out more, I will show you this is not the biggest problem to watch because we saw a RSI about 90 points and higher. So if we see a real big pump, it's not a big thing to say 73 points. Look at this here on this point. It was a really big pump and we saw 90 points, 89 points. And this was also not the big problem. So the RSI is overbought. Yes, we need to watch it. Yes, but it's possible to see more on a pump, more as 70 points. It's possible. The next thing, let me check this one here. This is our next big thing to watch. This is our, let me check this one here. Sorry, guys. Yes, let's remove all stuff. One thing I will show you before we end this video. This is also really important, guys. Higgy showed us, a nice member of my community, this line here. This yellow line here is a really important line because this is now our big resistance. This is the 4-hour time frame, and you can see it on the 4-hour time frame. We are still under this big resistance. As long as we are under this resistance, everything is possible to the downside. We need closing candles over this resistance. And we can see a point on the downside. If we draw a line here, you can see we are here in a rising, broadening wedge. So a lot of people are asking me in my live stream, Biti, is here now the perfect point for a buy? Guys, no. If we are under a resistance, I would not buy here. I would buy if we are over the resistance, okay, but not if we are now directly on the resistance. Then is the question, but maybe we will go to 100,000. Yes, it's possible to go to 100,000. Everything is possible, but I would not buy here under the resistance line. I would buy over the resistance line, guys. Or better on this line on the downside, the green support line. I bought here, I'm still in the trade, and if you are not in a long position, it's really hard for the moment. As long as we're under the resistance, I would not make a buy in. Maybe we will go down here, maybe we'll go to 50,000. And then the big question, down or up? This is a really big thing. So if you buy now here on this position and you have no stop loss and you're going down, that's a really bad thing. Guys, never buy in under resistance. Always buy in over resistance or better on a support. We would buy low and sell high and not sell low and buy high. So the next big thing is watch 65,000, guys. This is the biggest resistance for the moment because this is our all-time high resistance. And as long as we're under the 65,000, everything is possible to go down. It's possible. If we can see confirmed closing candles over this broadening rising wedge over 65,000. Okay, this is maybe the next time to buy in. But for the moment, if you're not in a long position, that's not the baddest thing to buy in on the top. Okay, guys, this is really important. So, guys, this was the update for today. 10 minutes. Sorry about this, but it was some time. I need this time for you to tell you what's going on here with Bitcoin. Thank you guys for your positive comments. Thank you for the thumbs to the upside. I need your support. I need all sharings over the internet. Please share all this stuff from me on Twitter, TikTok, everything, everywhere I can, Facebook, and so on. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours, Biti, from Trading Implement, and have a nice time.
System activated.